Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So go now, tell me what to do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is.
Hey loves, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Arianne Styllz, and from the title of this video you can tell we are back with a hair finesse. So if you want to see how I got this look all together, I got this hair slayed to the gods, just keep on watching this video. The unit I'll be reviewing today is from Alipearlhair. In the box, I receive a little bit of goodies. I receive a baby hair comb, a scarf, a satin scarf, all of that jazz. And this is a 13 by 4 lace frontal, 16 inches loose deep wave. As you can see, the knots are a little bit too visible for me, so I'm going to go in and bleach the knots. I'm using the 40 developer, and you can use 20. 40, you have to be careful you don't over bleach your knots, but I did wash this out pretty quickly because I was just looking for a light kind of bleaching and nothing too dramatic. After I'm done, I go in and pluck my lace a little bit more. It did come pre-plucked, but not to my liking, so I'm just repeating the motion, parting it in sections and plucking it until I get my desired look. And as you can see, it's looking bomb. Then I'm gonna go in and add a little bit of heat protecting spray to prepare the hair for the flat ironing, the curling, all of that. Then I'm gonna go in and straighten the frontal using my hot comb section by section, and then curling with my curling wand. I've wanded my hair so many times, it's the same process. It's the same thing over and over. I'm just adding back some curls because after washing the hair, I did loosen up the curl patterns a little bit. So I'm just going in to define these curls. This curl is looking so good. Don't even mind that hole in my stocking cap, like whatever wig cap. It's looking crazy, but the wig is looking bomb. The knots are looking good. I added some foundation. Now I'm going to lay the wig using my Got To Be spray as usual. Just laying this so that I can cut the lace. This is not the final laying process, but just to cut the lace. I'm gonna go in and use the tension method here to lay the hair while I cut the front of the frontal, and then I remove the elastic band to cut the sides of the hair because the sides are a little bit harder for me and I need to not have that on there in order to cut the sides. So you have to just find out what process works for you. Once I'm done cutting the lace, I'm gonna go in again, to just take out my baby hairs because I did push them back to cut the lace. I'm taking those out and I'm gonna lay the hair again with my Got To Be spray because it would have been lifted when I was cutting the lace. It's just a process. So I go in again and add some more Got To Be spray. Then I'm gonna tie it back down using the tension method. part where I go in and just cut my baby hairs. If this is not for you, you can obviously skip this section. The hair will look so good without baby hairs. It's honestly just a personal preference, so if you don't like it, skip this process. Now I'm gonna go in with my foam wrap lotion to just lay my baby hairs, all of that jazz. Nothing too defined. I just like to do my baby hairs the way I like to do my baby hairs.
Empty streets, but I kept searching for your trace in the dark, losing myself in the endless memories of the end right from the start. You're an obsession in my head, I can't forget your eyes.
So because the mousse is water based, you will need to go in again with your Got2b spray to just lay the hair one more time, lay the lace one more time. I'm tying this down with my satin scarf because again the tension method here will not be ideal. It would leave a line that is not cute. Okay, so I'm done getting dressed. I'm actually going out. So let's see how I did with this install. Okay, not looking bad so far, but it needs a little to the salon. But yeah, it needs some oil, so I'm just going to add a little bit of argan oil to it. Nothing too dramatic, and I'm just going to use my wide tooth comb and, you know, loosen up the curls. I really don't want them to be too, that's not the look I was going for, you know. Going for more of a juicy kind of look. So as you can see, I'm just pushing the hair with the comb to kind of like fixate it the way that I want it. And I want the front to look pushed back and voluminous. I'm going for a real nice volume style with this short here. Guys, I love this hair. Like, I know I say I love this hair, but I love weave in general. I love wigs because it allows me to like switch it up a lot. But I like when I try out different looks and it works, you know. So I'm just fixing it up a little bit. And I'm just kind of like sprucing it up. I want it to be big. I love this kind of big, voluminous kind of look. Okay. Look at that lace. Oh my gosh. Okay, loves, this takes us to the end of another video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this lightweight finesse. Let me know in the comments down below if you like this hair, if you could see yourself rocking it, and if I did a good job of, you know, bringing this all together, from bleaching the knots to plucking the hairline to making the baby hairs to adding these voluptuous curls. Let me know how you feel overall about the job I did on this hair. This hair, what I would say, it's so beautiful. I would recommend it for anyone who is, you know, a beginner. If you're not too picky about the knots being too big, you most definitely could wear this hair straight out of the pack. The curl pattern out of the pack was so nice. So overall, this hair is so gorgeous. Let me know in the comments down below how you feel about this look and the way I styled it. Don't forget to check out Alipearlhair. Everything will be linked in the description box below. Check out the description box. You'll find the direct link to this unit there. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Comment as well, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.